Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Magna Carta Royals deck. Now I don't really know anything about this deck at all, to be honest. It was part of the set that, if you watch the Joey Miner unboxing, it's part of the ones he sent me. And yeah, it's just quite interested to find out a bit more about it. As I've said in a few videos now, I tend not to do any research because I don't want my opinion to be clouded by any information that's out there. Not one of the easiest decks to get into, but we got there in the end. At the front we've got this really nice gold foil leafing, and this sort of like a, not embossing, but it's sort of almost indented in certain areas. This is just a white print for these corners. Magna Carta Royals. That gold foiling again, really cool. It's got some sort of bishop sitting at a table, so I'm presuming there are more in the set, which would allow these to all complete this picture there. And on the other side obviously is some soldiers, so I'm presuming that would have another scene on that side, but it's got that gold foiling all the way around, which is really nice. Same on both sides, which is a bit of a letdown really. Produced and distributed by Seasons Playing Cards, Chicago, Illinois, made in the USA, designed by Alexander Chin. Now I don't know anything about Seasons Playing Cards. I presumed where it says produced by, they made it, but you never know. A lot of people may have put produced by on their decks and they're actually manufactured elsewhere. It's got this weird sort of pinstriping effect down a sort of matte black dark grey card. There's a strange random border, which I'm presuming it makes up part of the flat, but it just doesn't fit right there. I mean, it looks quite nice as it is, but they should have maybe added something in there to cover up that weird part there. That's quite nice. It's got some weird script inside. So we've got Joker there with a coin in the middle, some writing around it. 800th anniversary Magna Carta Royals deck. Same again with a different sort of sovereign coin in the middle there. Ah, so presumably this shows you the picture that the deck makes up. There may be, judging by this, maybe 6 of these. There's either 6 or 3. So they might have 3 decks with 2 designs on each, which make up the whole picture. Into the Ace of Spades here. It's very interesting, that swirling sort of floral leaf or feather work there. And it's got like a sovereign coin behind it. Indices are pretty small. Looking at the royalty here. Very nice, very different. It would have been nice to have seen a sort of gold Metalux foil print on here. Maybe like a metallic ink, but they've gone for this sort of dulled off brown gold colour, which it does look gold, but it's just not metallic. I like the fact that the aces aren't standard because this one's very different as well. Now, to me, that doesn't look like a diamond in any way, shape or form. So if you didn't have that in the corner, I probably wouldn't be able to tell. And it would have been handy if the indices were bigger, because that's quite difficult to see, but it just looks very nice. The font's quite nice. Yes, they're pretty nice looking, but I don't know, it'd be a bit impractical when you're trying to perform magic or something along those lines. So different royalty there. I mean, as you can see, like this one is wearing black, this one's wearing red, so it's quite handy. But then, confusingly, Queen of Spades is wearing red as well, so I don't think there's any rhyme or reason behind that. It doesn't make sense to me. And these guys in the hearts are wearing blue. What's that all about? Madness. Vaguely resembles a club, but this looks quite like a heart. So looking at the back design here, very cool, Magna Carta written there. It's got some sort of, it's almost like eagle feather work going down there. What is it? It's sort of ace, a little heart there by the look of it. Almost looks like an owl. And it looks like a lion. And I really like the black, white and gold, which is very cool. Handle's okay. It's the sort of deck you'd have to sort of rub against your jeans because the sides are pretty rough. Fan's okay. Looks very, very nice. I don't know. I think this is more aesthetics over practicality with this deck, to be honest. It looks very nice. It's quite stiff. It doesn't have that robustness that you get from like a knock deck, where it feels very thick and it feels very robust, but it also feels like you could break it in for hours and it just wouldn't affect its use, whereas these feel very delicate, so I'm not going to muck about with them too much more. Yeah, I don't know, for a deck that looks very nice, it's a little bit disappointing, but doesn't take away from the fact it's a very, very beautiful deck. So here we have the Magna Carta Royals deck. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.